Hey, it's James Nicholson from RocketMarketingHub.com, just in Venice Beach, California at the moment, having some time out with my girlfriend and our stepdaughter Georgia. And I wanted to talk to you today about how you can build your email list for free. Now, building a list is an important part of owning a business, because if you have a decent email list, then you've got an asset that is valuable when you can eventually sell your business. You've probably heard of WhatsApp as a business. Now, that's a company that had no revenue or very little revenue, and they ended up being sold for many billions to Facebook. And the only reason for that is because of the value that they had in their database. So they had this huge database of billions of users that Facebook wanted to acquire. Now, how you can build your list for free is in your email marketing, or particularly actually on your Facebook advertising or Google advertising, is you give away something that has a high perceived value. So a guide, a report, a video series that they maybe opt in for. And that's where you're going to build your list. So you build that guide or report, something that really is going to be appealing to your target demographic, that's going to make them want to opt in to grab your guide or report. Then once you've done that, most people on a thank you page would just say thank you for downloading the guide or report, and that would be it. But what you're going to do is you're going to have a page there that immediately tries to sell them a micro purchase. So you're going to sell them a product or a service for relatively cheap. Now, we aim to do that in our business for less than around £10, or at least under £30, or similar if you're in America, you do that in dollars as well. And what that does is the people that purchase that, which could be as much as 20%, will end up paying for your advertising. So you won't be using that money for profits in the business at all. You're going to use that money and put that back into the advertising at the front, but they're paying for your advertising, meaning you can build your list relatively cheaply, or in fact even some people will make a profit depending on how good the offer is that they've got or how good the guide is, but you could definitely easily make it so you can build your list for pretty much free by doing this. So you build your guide or report, something that you're giving away that's relatively high value but doesn't cost them anything to opt in. On the thank you page, you're going to offer them something for sale, and you're going to use that money that you get from that to pay for the advertising to get more people to download your guide or report. So I hope you found that useful. Comment below, let me know if you're doing that and how that's working in your business. That's it from me. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.